Let's look at this question now. Three pipes named ABC have been attached to three different tanks PQR respectively. Now the volumes of tank PQR are in the ratio 1:2:3, while the radii of the pipes A, B, and C are in the ratio √2, 2, and √5. The tanks are initially empty, and the three pipes simultaneously start filling the respective tanks using pumps of identical capacity. If pipe C takes 10 minutes more to fill the tank R than the time taken by pipe B to fill the tank Q, how much more time will pipe C take to fill tank R than time taken by pipe A to fill tank P? Okay. First of all, capacity. The volumes of tank PQR are in the ratio. So PQR, these are volume. These are the tanks, right? Volumes of these tanks are in the ratio 1:2:3. Correct. Also, this is given the radii of pipes ABC, right? So ABC, the efficiency of these pipes, because they use pump of identical capacity, so it would depend on the cross section area, that how much water is flowing into the tank, respective tanks. So this is radius, area would be radius square, so the efficiency, so the rate or the efficiency of these pipes would be in the ratio 2:4:5. 2:4:5. Can you see the rate of pipe, the rate of pipe A and pipe B is ratio is 2:4, that is 1:2. 1:2, which means the rate of pipe B is double the rate of pipe A. But the volume of the tank P and Q are in the ratio 1:2, are in the ratio 1:2, which means if I assume the volume of P to be 100 liters and volume of Q to be 200 liters, right? And the rate of A to be 2 units per liter, 2 units per hour, and rate of B to be 4 units per hour, right? So the time taken by A to completely fill this tank would be 100/2, that is 50 hours. And time taken by B to fill this tank Q would be 50 hours. So you can see this time is same. This time is same, because if the rate of B is double, the capacity of tank Q is also double. So the time taken by tank A, pipe A and pipe B to fill the respective tanks P and Q would be same. Now, pipe C takes 10 minutes more to fill the tank R than the time taken by pipe B to fill tank Q, right? So pipe B and pipe A takes equal time to fill respective tanks. And it is given that if B takes, let's say, T time to fill this tank, then C take T plus 10. Also, we have established that A and B takes equal uh, number of hours to fill the respective tanks. So time taken by A would be T units only. So how much more time will pipe C take to fill the tank R than the time taken by pipe A to fill tank P? So that would be, in comparison to A, it would be same 10 minutes. C would take 10 minutes more, or option C would be the correct answer. So this question looks difficult, but it is very easy. If you understand these well, that how do you connect the rate of these pipes, right? So these numbers are very good, and question is nothing if you just comprehend this well.